Grabe ang effort na ginawa nila rito. Nakakabilib. Tignan nyo mga ka-teammate. So, sa judge na lang magkakatuloyan kung ano. Pero napakaganda ng effort nila. Malupit mga ka-teammate. Tignan nyo.
The vegetable basket of Dengen. So as you can see, our one common product is potato. So Bugayas is known for its rich soil, and this potato represents Bugayas as being, Bugayas people has been resilient. Na kahit ano pong problema na dumadaan sa buhay, it's like just like a potato, na kahit ang ulan, tangin, ganun po, nabuhay sila. And this potato, ito po yung staple food ng mga lolo at lola namin. So, inside, ang usual na alam natin pagpatatas is just potato. But here are some of the products we have. We have potato cake, potato yema, potato salad, and we have here potato balls. You can actually try to taste them if you like.